Look your best, cause you're turning heads tonight. You're gonna find a sexy chica that's gonna dance all night if you wanna. Don't say you gotta go. Yeah, it's true, you gotta make but the party ain't gonna stop, so let's make it hot.
So hey guys, how are you doing today? I am fresh faced, bare, just pouring it, just leaving it all out there for you lot. I am going to be using somewhat of like a one makeup brand to do my makeup. I'm collaborating with them. You can get this stuff from Primark. So yeah, I'm excited because it's quite cool to actually try this on darker skin and see what's popping. So I literally have a whole bunch of stuff. I've got like eyelashes, I've got a highlighter kit, I've got eyeshadow palette, and I've got brushes for days. I then would probably just use some of my other stuff like foundations and stuff like that. I'm also going to be using cream contour sticks, so I'm going to be using these on top of my foundation to contour. The brand, by the way, is Sosu by Susan Jackson. I got the chance to meet her, insert a pic, and oh my gosh, she's absolutely amazeballs. Like the stuff we spoke about, it's just absolutely mad. So it's quite cool because, you know, you're obviously supporting someone that's really, really great. And I'm going to be trying out all these, and you know, fingers crossed that it works for me, it works for my skin tone. They do have a range of shades, and I got the shade dark. I got to contour with. I've got the shade cool, and I got the shade warm. I think I'll probably use the shade dark and warm because this might be a little bit too light. But you know what? Let's just get into this. Should we begin?
There is no way you could mistake, and for your man are you insane? See, I know that you may be just a bit jealous of me, but you'll be mine if you can't see that his love is all in me. See, I tried to hesitate, I didn't want to say what he told me. He said without me he couldn't make it through the day that I shared. And maybe you misunderstood, cause I can't see how we could wanna take time and that's so good. All my love's all it took. Seem to be might have done everything that you asked me. Grabbed you, wanted you, liked you, tried you. Moved so fast that you know I can't find you. Ooh, I'm starting to believe that I'm way too much for you. All that talk, but it seems like it can't come through. All them lies that you could satisfy me. Now I see what believing you got me. Gave you the will, but you didn't. Can you keep up? Can you keep up? Can you keep up? Can you keep up? Can you? Baby boy, let me lose my breath.
This is the final finished look. I really hope you like it. My skin's been doing some madness recently, but I'm on some like vitamin C type deal to bring it back to life, you know. But I must say, all in all, the products are really good. I love the eyeshadows because they're very pigmented. I would say there's a little bit of fallout, but it's something that I just brush away. My favorite brush from the set is this one. Literally, it feels like absolute heaven on the skin. The contour shades are very creamy, really creamy, but I feel like it's not for my skin tone. The dark is for someone who's white or mixed. If you're of darker complexion, I personally think the dark contour shade won't do you any good. But the cool, is it cool? But the warm contour shade, this one is very similar color to like the Makeup Revolution and the what's it called, and the Tarte Shape Tapes. It's the same complexion, so you can therefore like go in with that one, and that will be really nice. It's so smooth and it blends really easily. I really do like their products, and I think it's really affordable. So it's like high end, low end, you know, in the middle. This one, I think it's absolutely amazing. And the lashes, I think they're my favorite lash brand by far so far, because I'm wearing them on, theirs on the bottom, and then I'm wearing them on the top. And oh, I really like my eyeshadow. I actually really like everything. Oh, okay. All right, Shan. You know, when I'm doing my makeup, I always just think, oh, you know, what am I doing? Like, am I even doing this right? But then when you see the final look, it's like madness. Like, my thing, what's going on? And then my hair, guys, if you do like my hair, then stay tuned for my next video, because I'll therefore like, you know, it's buffing it. Hey, so yes guys, I really hope that you like this look. Therefore check out the Sosu collection, and oh god, I just really like this look. And I have a discount code, which is shantania15, so I'll leave it in the description bar below, and I'll put it on the screen as well, so you can click the link and get some coins off. So it's gonna be even like more cheaper. My hair is like doing some madness right now. Ooh. If this was real, that would hurt. Ready for a night out on the town?
I ain't thinking about my man tonight.
I ain't worried about my girl.